Hello, my name is Ron Friedman and I'm from Ukraine. I like to help people. That's one of the main reasons I started the Retire on My Budget community project. What is the Retire on My Budget and how it can help you? Retire on My Budget is the biggest information provider solution. For people who like to travel, work remotely, Retire on My Budget lets you see, compare, and save cost of living, healthcare, pollution, traffic, crime, while connecting to like-minded people around the world. You want to learn how? Let's jump in and see how it works together. First, you need to register. It's free, and you don't need to use your real name and data. Just email you have access to. It will allow you to save comparison right here. You have some of the saved for myself. And let you compare, save the searches while connecting as well to like-minded people. Once you on compare page, you can add, remove, or change cities. So for example, I already add the cities, but for example, if you want to remove, you click Milan, Italy, you click this red cross and you remove the city. And for example, you want to add the cities, Paris, okay, France, add, here we go, Paris, France, okay? That's how you add or remove cities and compare them. You can move them as well, okay, and move back, okay? And right away you can see, for example, I'm now in Chicago, and right away you can see and compare local salaries, rent, a lot of data, groceries, utilities, and so on, the restaurant, and so on, okay? Once you decided which cities you like to travel or relocate or retire, you can go to and click find cool people like you. And we just started this feature, and you will be able to search for like-minded people based on their hobbies, gender, origin, city, destination, languages they speak, or budgets. Okay. So, for example, I want to find someone who speaks Ukrainian. Okay. Okay, and search. Here we go. It will show you in Google Map all the people that speak Ukrainian, and you can click connect and start chatting with them. Hey, and click send. Okay. Or, for example, you want to find someone who like yoga. Okay, and destination is example Odessa, Ukraine. Okay, yeah. So we don't have anyone who likes yoga in Odessa, so we can remove it, or you can choose the people who like to go to Odessa. Here we go. Okay. All right. So yeah, you can remove all the filters, or you can filter by budget as well. Okay, and it will show you people who have the similar budget, and then you can of course add destination as well. That's how you filter and find and connect to the people. Okay, all search, and once again you just click connect and start chatting. Data we provide is free, but it still costs us. Please consider to contribute. You can go on the bottom of the page and click contribute. Any amount will help us, or you can go and subscribe to plan number 2, which is $1.98, which is less than a cup of coffee, and it will give you access to all the data you need. Okay. Please also consider subscribing to our social media channels. That way you don't miss any discounts, new features, and new videos. But once you subscribe, please send us a message with print screen, and you get free months for plan number 2 to use. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you on Retire on My Budget. Take care. Bye bye.